This comic is by Cora and it's called The Adventures of Sapphire and Unicorn Girl. So once upon a time there was a little girl called Rose who was going to horse camp. She got to pick her horse and her horse was called Sapphire. Once she'd learned to take care of the horse, they went for their first ride. And Sapphire started talking. Rose and Sapphire became good friends, and Sapphire told Rose about her magical kingdom and why she was on Earth. She'd come to defeat a villain called Robobat, but she'd lost her. Meanwhile, as Rose and Sapphire were riding back, Robobat was trying to steal Garnet, the baby horse, at the stable. She'd been hiding as the caretaker in the stables all along. And Sapphire had a surprise for Robobat. She was going to transform herself and Rose into superheroes. Now they are Unicorn Girl and Sapphire. A big battle started, and Robobat was defeated and got sent to prison. What new adventures await Rose and Sapphire? To be continued.